Hey y'all, it's Jamie Deen, still in Mama's kitchen, still thankful. It's Thanksgiving, y'all, and you're gonna have sweet potatoes, right? You can bake sweet potatoes if you want. You could bake them and slice them and cover them with marshmallow cream. You can whip them, you can eat them whole. You could also put them in a casserole dish like we're doing today. This is our sweet potato bake, y'all. It started with some fresh baked sweet potatoes. Teresa did these for me this morning. Nice and mashed. And for this part, we're gonna add sugar, some butter, of course. We have a teaspoon of vanilla. I know I shouldn't be measuring this over the bowl, but I trust myself. Teaspoon of this sheer cinnamon. No, I'm not gonna do that. And a quarter of a teaspoon of fresh nutmeg. How much is a quarter of fresh nutmeg, y'all think? I'm gonna go right here. Lastly, into this, we're gonna add our 2 eggs. So far, so good. Now we're gonna whip this up just to get this blended. I made sure and pull myself out a super dangerous little small bowl to use. Why would I use a bigger bowl when we can ramp up the excitement level? I love sweet potatoes. Now that I've got this mixed up, we're gonna add lastly our milk. It looks easy when I do it, I know it does, because I have Teresa helping me. And then all I have to do is talk and mix. But I cannot tell y'all, you've got to find recipes that are easy for you to handle this time of year, unless you have a big family or a lot of helpers. Because you do not want to let the stress of the day override what we're here for, and that's to enjoy each other's company and give thanks for all the blessings that we have. Look how beautiful that is. This is a perfect little bowl for it too. But you know, we got to have a top for that. And our topping for that is going to be very simple. We're going to mix together, we have brown sugar. You have some nuts. You got to have your pecans. Got some butter here that I'm going to add. And then I also have our flour. I'm going to mix this up a little bit before I put our flour in here. I did spill a little bit of this butter, but I think we'll be all right. Now our flour here is going to give us the thickening, crumbly part here. And now Mom says use a fork to beat this up, so you're not ever going to get this completely smooth. We just want to incorporate as much of this as we can, because our sweet potatoes is pretty loose, and so that juice and everything is going to bubble up out of there. Now on top of this casserole, all we do now that looks delicious. I'm thankful for y'all. I'm thankful for sweet potatoes, and I'm thankful this is a pretty easy recipe to put together. We sure are busy around here. I'm gonna put this into the oven at 350 for maybe 45 minutes. Y'all check down below. You know Teresa's gonna check me on all of that. It's going in the oven. We'll see you when it comes out. Hey y'all, our sweet potato bake is out of the oven. Let's give it a try. You know, it's not a day of filming for me unless I cauterize my lips together, because I eat everything when it's too hot, but I cannot help it. Man. Sweet potato bake. You know what? I made a pumpkin dump cake that my Aunt Trina did, and she had icing on top of that cake that would be delish on this side dish of Sweet potatoes, let's try it. Delish. You cannot mess up a sweet potato. All it needs, a little bit of sugar, a little bit of butter, and the nuts on top. This is delicious, really easy. Everybody at your table will be thankful that you made this year. Y'all better get going. It's almost Thanksgiving. Pop back in here sometime. Mom will have some good tips for you too. I'm Jamie Deen. This is Good Food. We'll see y'all around the kitchen.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.